Want to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams? Whether you're replacing an old photo or adding one for the first time, it only takes a few steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to change or remove your team's profile picture on PC and mobile, plus what to do if the new photo doesn't appear right away. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in. At the top of the Teams window, select your profile picture. When your account menu appears, select your profile picture again to open the profile photo options. Now select Upload Image. Browse to the photo you want to use on your computer, select it, and confirm the upload. Choose a clear photo where your face is easy to recognize, especially if you're using Teams for work or meetings. After choosing your photo, select Save to apply the change. Your new picture should now appear on your Teams profile and wherever your Teams profile photo is displayed. If you want to remove your picture instead, open the same profile photo menu and select Remove Image. Teams will return your account to its default initials or profile image. On mobile, the steps are slightly different. On iPhone, tap your current picture or initials at the top left, tap your name, then choose Update Photo. You can take a new photo or choose one from your device. On Android, open your profile and select your picture, then choose Edit Image to update it. If you're using Teams through work or school and you can't change the picture, your organization may control profile information. In that case, the option may be restricted by your administrator. Your Microsoft account profile photo can also be used across Microsoft services, depending on your account setup. Sometimes the new picture doesn't appear everywhere immediately. Microsoft notes that it can take time for profile picture changes to update across Teams. If the old picture remains, restart Teams and sign in again. Clearing the Teams cache may also help the change appear faster. For the best result, use a clear, well-lit image with your face easy to see. A simple head and shoulders photo usually works well. You don't need anything fancy, just something professional and recognizable. And that's how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Open your profile, select the picture, upload a new image, and save it. On mobile, use the Update Photo or Edit Image option. So once your new picture is saved, you're ready for your next Teams meeting.